Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Myers, and I'm here with my patient William, who's 3 months out from stem cell treatment for his knee arthritis pain. And before we take a look at and talk to him, we're going to take a quick look at his x-rays. This is his right knee, and this is the symptomatic left knee, which was treated. And first of all, taking a look at his good knee, you see how he has good space between the bones on the inside and the outside of the knee. This is the amount of cartilage thickness in the knee, normal cartilage thickness on both sides of his right knee. But looking at the left knee, he has good cartilage space and thickness on the outside, but the inside is almost completely gone. Severe arthritic change with almost complete loss of joint space, almost bone on bone here completely. Bone spurring on the inside of the knee here and the inside of the knee here. Bone spurring is part of arthritis. So, thinking back to before you ever had stem cell procedure done, describe your symptoms. What kind of pain were you having? How much pain were you in with your knee?
Well, I was having a lot of pain whenever I tried to do things like walking or even at work, climbing stairs, and especially going downstairs. That was worse. And there were times when I had to walk from one building to another, and I get to the middle of the parking lot and have to stop and say, gosh, am I even going to make it to the next building? It was getting to where it was really, slowing me down a lot.
And were you requiring medicine for the knees before stem cell?
Not really. I mean, there wasn't really much I could do for it other than, pain medication, but that didn't really help much.
And before the stem cell procedure, were there any other treatments that you had tried before this procedure?
Well, about 3 years ago, they scoped my knee and cleaned it up some, and that helped for a little bit, but it didn't really change too many things.
Okay. Going back to the day of the procedure, how bad was the pain? How much pain was there during getting the cells and doing the knee injection? How bad was the pain during the procedure itself?
Oh, there wasn't hardly any pain at all, much less than I expected. The only thing was it was a little disconcerting, when you were digging getting the cells out, but that was not a big deal.
Good. So you're 2.5 months from procedure.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Well, I'm doing quite well, I think. As I was telling you earlier, I have this hike I like to take, and a year or so ago I tried this with a friend of mine, and he's into bicycling and all that, so I was having a hard time keeping up with him, and at the end of the hike my knee was swollen like a baseball and sore and unbearable, and now I'm going out and I'm taking that same walk and every day, and I'm getting home and I'm noticing no real problems at all. Maybe a slight bit of pain, and I still put ice on it just in case, but no swelling to mention and no real pain to worry about.
Overall, compared to before stem cell and to now, 10% better, 50% better, 80% better? Put a number on it.
I'd say 80% better at least than what I was dealing with before.
Awesome, awesome. Well, having been through it, start to now, do you feel like you made the right decision?
Oh, yes. Yes, I do.
Excellent.
I do.
Well, thank you so much for coming in and sharing your experience. I'm so glad to see you're doing so much better.